train is coming very fast. To Nanpara, and so I will show you adventure scene of the Dudhwa National Park and some wild. You can see this is the narrow meter gauge train. You can see here, and this is the forest area, and this is the inside the train. You can look the. This is the Palia station. This is the Palia Kala station, and the time is 8:41 in the morning time. I will show you Dudhwa National Park adventure scene and wildlife. This is amazing view you can see here. This is flower. Very long trees, very heavy and very long trees here. The forest is very amazing. Here are many plants, many different trees, many big trees, many small trees. You can see here. This is the very old houses here. I think here no public live here, and you can see there is a very old house. I will show you. Here are no public crowd at this station. You can see here this is the Dudhwa National Park, but this is not park, this is station. You can see the right name here. The view is amazing. The meter gauge train is also running very slowly, and here are no people. This is the. Here are no people, no passenger here, and there is a very old house. Here is no people live in this room and any house, because this is the jungle area. Here are many wild animals come in this room, so people is not live here. And what this, do you know about this? If you know, so you tell me in the comment box what is this. And you can see, I will show you. If you don't know, I will tell you. You can see here, this is train moving here in this turn. Here is the Dudhwa National Park start right now. So train is going very slow because there are many wild animals in this area. So train is going very slow. I think I looking at one vendor is stop here. He want to come inside the train. Okay. Wait. He is come to inside the train. You can look here, and you can look the back side. This is the back side. Train is moving here. This is the narrow meter gauge train, and this is the signal for the train. The scene is very amazing because this is very green. Everything is green. Everything is green. This is the Tikuniya station, and here my train will be crossing. After that, I will go in Nanpara station. You can look here. There are many people. Only little people here. Only here, and some people in this area. This is the big tree. There is very cool side in this area. You can see. You can look, and second train is coming here in the Tikuniya station, and my train is crossing with this train. This is the passenger gaadi. This is a naughty boy is saying to khatra khatra. What is khatra khatra? The train is stopped. One train is here and one train is here.
ट्रेन रुक गई है यहाँ पे. ट्रेन हमारी रुक गई है. अब कौन सी ट्रेन पहले?
And there are many big long trees, very tall trees. It is very good and train is moving here. This is the very far away. All wheat plants here. All wheat plants is cutting here. This is back. There are many vehicles here. The bike, tractors, and car. You can see. The train is moving very fast, and train is round left side and turn on left side, and it is turn on left side. Turn on left side. Turn on left side and turn round side. Turn right side. This is the small pond here, and here are some boys. Train is going straight. There is a top here. You can see this is the top. And this is pond here. Oh, this is the deep pond here. You can see blue water. Okay, no stop. The view is very amazing here. View is very amazing. If you want a chance to walk Melani to Nanpara, so you come to Melani to Nanpara, because there are very amazing views and very adventure scene in this jungle, and for the very enjoyable your trip in. This is beautiful and beautiful looking. This is barrage, you can see here. This is the very big river, you can see here. This is the cleaning working running in this area, and this is the water is very blue, you can see, and this is very deep. You can see here, this is two boat, one boat is here and one boat there, and here many people catching fish, you can see. And this is the chain landing work here, and the water's way is cleaning here. This is the pipeline, you can see here. The water is going to outside. The sand is removing from the river. The river will be clean, so the water will be going to straight. You can see the one machine is here and one machine is here. I think the water is very deep. Water is very deep. You can see there is a very, yeah, you looking, the water is very beautiful. Oh my god. And there are many people catching fish. And the water is finished here, and the train is moving. View is very amazing. View is very amazing. The wind is blowing very fast, so my voice is not catching these videos. This is very adventurous. My journey is finished. I reached at my station. You can see. Now I'm going in the market area. So wind is blowing very fast. So thank you for the journey.